Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Telegram account. This is how to do it. Open your Telegram app, click on settings. You have to scroll down and look for privacy and security. You have to also scroll down and look for where it says automatically delete my account if away for. Click on it. You will see where it says delete account now. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down and you'll see where it says delete my account. Click on it. It's going to ask for your password, and when you input that, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you delete your account on Telegram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.